Welcome. This is teacher Linda G with a bit of information on Canada's immigration pathways. Now, you need to know that I am a teacher and not an immigration officer, and you still need to do your research, and for this, I will provide you with some websites. In this vast land of mine, Canada, there are three main routes to enter it: the expressway, the express entry, the provincial nominee programs, and family sponsorship. The express entry is like a points-based express lane for skilled workers. For example, imagine you're an IT professional, your skills are high in demand, and express entry can fast-track your journey to becoming a permanent resident. The PNP, or the Provincial Nominee Program, offers tailored options for specific provinces. For example, in Ontario, the Ontario Immigrant Nominee Program might require specific job offers or education credentials tailored to the provincial's need, to the province's needs. And of course, this could change from year to year. There's also the Family Sponsorship Program, and that emphasizes the importance of keeping families together. So if you have a family member already in Canada, this pathway might be the one for you. Now, each pathway provides unique features. They provide opportunities for those considering a move to Canada. And for detailed information, be sure to explore the official government website at canada.ca under immigration and citizenship, and I will show you what that looks like. So this is the Government of Canada website, canada.ca. Once you're on this website, you need to go to Immigration and Citizenship. Now, once you're on this particular page, you can type in family sponsorship, for example. And it will bring you to some reports, to some information related to this type of entry. So I suggest that you play around with this site so that you can get the information you need. When you first get on this page, you'll see that they update their site. So right now, for people affected by the crisis in Israel, or for the people affected by the situation in Lebanon, and immigration response to the situation in Afghanistan and Iran and Morocco. So if you are from one of these countries, it's best to take a look at the information they have there. So I'm just going to click here to give you an example. Afghanistan. And of course, they tell you what they've done and how if you've applied, and if you haven't received an invitation to apply, this is what you can do to do that. Notice here it says welcoming them through our regular immigration program, economic, family reunification, and refugee resettlement programs. Now, this requires you to have pretty good reading skills in English, express entry, there's the information there, provincial nominees, family sponsorship. Here they also have something very specific for the province of Quebec. And of course, for those that want to work in New Brunswick, Prince Edward Island, Nova Scotia, the Atlantic programs as well. So you could be spending a few hours here researching this. And of course, if you want to improve your English, this is what I'm here for. You can also contact me at backinthegrooveagain@gmail.com. That's how you can contact me. All right, see you soon and stay tuned for the next video.